Hello everyone, in this video I will going to demonstrate how to create employee loans in the system. This will be a login screen. Here you will going to enter the email address. Like here I am entering the email address of an employee. In password you will going to enter the password. Now click on login button in order to log in into ERP. After login, navigate to payroll. Then click on employee loan, which is a menu of loans. In order to create a new one, just click on create button. As soon as you will click on create button, here a form will open. Here you will select the employee for which you are creating this particular loan. For example, I am creating the employee loan for this employee. As soon as you will select the employee name, designation and department will come by default from employee register form. Here you will give the loan amount. Here you will select the rate, interest rate. Here you will select the payment duration. Please note the fields which are in blue are the mandatory ones. Here you can give the description for your loan. Here you can see the installment paid by employees. They will be automatically fetched from the payslip. Here you can see the amortization schedule for the loan. Now click on save button. In order to confirm this loan, just click on confirm button. If you want to calculate this particular loan, just click on calculate button in order to calculate. As soon as you will click on calculate button, here you will see the EMI or amount to pay will be automatically calculated. Now click on confirm button. As soon as you will click on confirm button, this the state will change to confirm, and you will click on start loan button in order to start the loan. Now the loan is in running state. Once the loan is closed, just click on close button. This is how you will create employee loan in the system and process it.
Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel videos and you will be getting a lot. And yes, don't forget to comment upon these videos, because if you comment on these videos, this will really going to give us the motivation to upload more and more videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.